Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you how to cancel your SketchUp subscription. Alright, it is pretty easy to do. Just go ahead and open up your favorite browser and go to accounts.trimble.com. Alright, once done, you should see a section right here which says plan settings. Alright, just go ahead and click on it and it will redirect you to this page. Now, once you're in here, you're going to want to tap or click on edit plan settings. Once done, click on manage auto renewal. All right. Now, once you click on it, this particular slider right here will show. Just go ahead and turn off the slider. All right. And as you can see here, just for example, your plan will automatically continue on the renewal date. Now, once this renewal date has gone by, SketchUp won't be able to bill you again for the next month, starting June 9. All right, and that's how you cancel a SketchUp subscription. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.